This is a short video on how to assemble a battery replacement for Learn to Flush Potty from Fisher-Price. And we'll start right now. What is going on? Welcome to this short video on how to assemble a battery replacement for Fisher-Price Learn to Flush Potty. If you do not get music out of your Fisher-Price Learn to Flush Potty, review this step to see if you did the setup correctly. If all is good, you likely need to change the batteries. This take 3 AA batteries coming up. Let's do a quick unboxing of the Learn to Flush Potty to make sure we have all the parts required. These are the parts in the box. Let's start the assembly. You only need a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the tape from the wire connector attached to the base. Fit these tabs on the tank into the slots on the base. Push to snap in place. Remove the tape from the wire connector attached to the battery compartment door. Grab the screwdriver and loosen the screws in the battery compartment door and remove it. Get the wire connector on the base and also the tank and connect them. Put the connected wires below the batteries in the battery compartment. When sounds or light become faint or stop, it's time to change the batteries. The ball sits in the opening in the base. Fit the clips underneath the seat into the holes in the base. There's a on-off switch on the back of the potty. Turn it on. We overall like the product and we think it's worth the money. The price changes all the time, so I put a link to the product in the description below the video to check the current pricing. It's usually $30 or so in the US. If you're getting value out of this video, please give us a thumbs up. It's very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. We cover baby related items like this video. For more like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you and see you next time.